Gemstone Dendritic Agate. Dendritic agate is a type of agate with fern-like inclusions known as dendrites and crystallizes in the form of masses. These impurities are formed from trace amounts of manganese and iron. The color of dendritic agate is usually found in white, grey or a light yellow-brown, but can also be found as light purple. The most common localities for this mineral are found in India, Madagascar, Brazil, Russia and the USA. This agate shares nearly identical energies with moss agate and tree agate, its sister crystals. Dendritic agate brings us closer to Mother Earth with energies capable of helping us ground and pursue our most benevolent ideas. This crystal offers up shells of protections around your aura and truly lets you be yourself. Dendritic agate encourages self-expression and a rebuilding of the divine connection to nature that most of our childhoods were consumed with. Pure happiness and joy are all around us, through life, animals, food and art. Dendritic agate provides you with a new desire to find comfort in smaller, more human things, as opposed to the unnatural desires society presents to us. You are encouraged to go back to your roots when meditating with this stone and allow that inner carefree child to shine through. There is love within you just waiting to be released, and what better way to release this energy than with the simplest things life has to offer? The less stress in your life, the more you will enjoy your time. That is something dendritic agate's energies are sure to remind us about as we all so blissfully forget that golden rule. Dendritic agate is a translucent to opaque member of the agate family, characterized by inclusions of branch-like dendrites, which are made up of manganese or iron oxide. Colors may be clear white or whitish grey with black or brown dendrites. Often called the stone of plenitude, dendritic agate is associated with abundance, property, and growth, not just monetary but in every aspect of one's life. It can enhance one's self-confidence and perseverance, as well as transform negative energies both in the environment and the body into positive energies. Like its cousin tree agate, dendritic agate has a deep connection to nature and can assist those involved with conservation projects. It has a grounding and calming energy which reminds us to stay connected not just to the earth but to our own roots in order to grow.